Hello. Today we're having a presentation for Design Excite Cakes Missing Opportunity. This has been prepared for Design Excite Cakes deck, prepared by Sue Polk of Droid Designs. Overview. Design Excite Cakes is a cake company that creates personalized cakes. Currently, they are not receiving customer requests and missing out on business opportunities. There have been many complaints about the company's inability to communicate. The opportunities for DEC. Overhaul the communications to the cloud computing. Solidify how clients communicate and place orders. The most effective way for cake requests to be submitted and what form of communication should be utilized. Introduction to new solutions. Design a communication solutions website that is cloud-based. There will be automation communications through the new web page to handle new customer requests. A cloud-based technology that offers a way to manage all communications remotely. Current state of cluttered messages and upset customers. As you see here, the messages are unclear. They're being put on post-it notes. They're missing very important details such as when, who, and where. This is causing profit loss and very upset customers. Options for communication solutions. Free Google, a single company logon for Google and email, calendar, contacts, and finance. Downside, no user accountability, and it's not automated. What percentage of small businesses have websites? Right here we're looking at the numbers of different companies that are small businesses and who manages those websites for those businesses. Here you can see that 51% of employees have their websites managed by someone on their team, which takes away from the actual business itself on the everyday. Some business opportunities are given by freelancers or consultants, and that's 40%. Do-it-yourself website builders software, 38%. 31% designer development agency, and 9% user experience interface agency. I want to look at the number 38%. The important part to consider when using a website builder software is there will be fees involved with different layers of the project that you built. So keep in mind that to host your web page, there's a fee. To have certain graphics, there's a fee. Everything is not all inclusive on self-design builder software. Reasons businesses don't have a website. Some businesses use social media for a business profile instead. They find it not necessary. Lack of technical skills. Lack of resources for a website. Introducing a cloud-based customer relationship management for DEC. This would be an all-inclusive CRM, customer relationship management tool. It would help you with invoicing, inventory, event tracking, order management, website management, email, marketing, automation, analytics, social media management. CRM cost for DEC designs. One-time cost of $6,000 for the first year. This includes development costs and user training, integration into existing hardware. Recurring cost of $2,000, discount at 12% for maintenance over the next 5 years. Here's the feasibility analysis. As you see, the initial cost of $6,000 will be applied to year 0. Thereafter, there will be a recurring fee of $2,000 with a discounted rate each year, having those costs go down. The projection is to break even occurs between years 2 and 3. Use a first year of positive cash flow to calculation break-even factor. 0.435 is the value. The actual break-even occurrence, it will be at 2.5 years. Design Excite Cakes break-year analysis. Here we show the numbers in which you have the overall cash flow and the year MVP cash flow occurs. And then you see the blue line there? That's your break-even analysis. That means that you go into the positive at 2.5 years. So it would be advantageous to have a website because although there is a $6,000 fee and $2,000 thereafter, the benefits and rewards from having a website will be that you'll have better communication and a better relationship with your customers and returning clientele. Benefits and risk. Cloud-based enterprise. No IT overhead or additional hardware cost. No software license cost per user device. Customer database for continued growth. Those are all benefits. The risk. Network connectivity interruptions and data breaches. When it comes to risk, we cannot control your network's choice and if there will be a service interruption. However, as long as there's no service interruptions, we can maintain our server side and guarantee connectivity. As far as data breaches go, we have detailed outlines of different security measures that we take to protect both you and your clients. Final recommendation. A new webpage designed specifically for Design Excite Cakes and management of all social media content. If you accept the terms of this communication solution, we'll migrate existing orders, customer change requests, and new customer orders. Requests will be placed with the new CRM. The CRM name is Deck. It will be cloud-based. Deck software will allow native integrations with Office 365, track customer interactions, attachments, and sales. The proper use of the Deck software will allow the much-needed nurturing customers for the future growth of Design Excite Cakes. Here's a sneak peek of Design Excite Cakes webpage. Thank you.